In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp for email marketing. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to send a standard email campaign from start to finish, even if you're brand new to the platform. First, once you're logged into your Mailchimp account, look for the option to create something new. Click the Create icon, and from the choices that appear, select Regular Email. This tells Mailchimp you want to send a standard one-time campaign, not an automated series or a different type of message. You'll usually be asked to name your campaign here, so choose something that helps you recognize it later, like Newsletter, March, or Product Launch. Next, you'll choose who should receive this email. Click Add Recipients. Here, you'll see your available audience or contact list. Select the audience you want to send to. If you use tags or segments, you can narrow it down to a specific group, but if you're just starting, you'll probably send to your main audience. Once you've made your selection, click Save. Now it's time to set who the email is from. Click Add From, and enter the name and email address that should appear in your subscribers' inboxes. This is important for trust and recognition, so choose a name your audience knows, like your brand or your own name. Make sure you use an email address you have access to and that matches your brand if possible. When you're happy with it, click Save. Then, set up your subject line. Click Add Subject. Type in a clear, compelling subject line that tells people what to expect in the email, and then add preview text if you'd like. The preview text appears next to or below the subject in many inboxes and can encourage more opens. Keep both of these short and focused. When you're done, click Save. Now you'll design the content of your email. Click Design Email. Mailchimp will show you a selection of templates. Choose one that fits your goal, whether that's a simple text-based update or a more visual layout. Inside the editor, replace the placeholder text with your own copy, add images or your logo, and adjust colors and buttons to match your brand. Take a moment to check mobile and desktop previews to make sure it looks good everywhere. When you're satisfied, click Save and Exit. Finally, you're ready to send. Review your campaign settings one more time. When everything looks correct, click Send and then confirm by clicking Send Now. Mailchimp will deliver your email to your selected audience, and your campaign is officially live.